Hey everyone, it's Kristen Gill with ET Style, and today I have Morphe's Director of Global Artistry, Miss Lipstick Nick, with me. Hi guys. She's going to share with us the holiday collection that they have this year. It is poppin'.
It is poppin'. So today we're gonna use, we're gonna take this glitter trend, right? The glitter trend we're seeing everywhere on liner, lashes, everywhere. So I'm gonna actually show you how to create this in a very easy way using one of our new holiday products, the Glitter Fever Pack. Comes with 3 different glitters. They dry down really quickly. So we're gonna take 2 of those. One of them's called Poppin'.
Oh, I didn't even mean to do that. Yeah, it's poppin'.
You take that color, as well as another one. I'm gonna show you a little ombre liner moment. So super easy to do and really fun way to add to your holiday glam.
If you're loving this look, we're giving away the entire Morphe Cosmetics holiday collection to 2 viewers. Check out the link in the story below for rules and entry. Enter by December 16th for your chance to win.
So this holiday collection for us is really unique. It's very glitzy, very glam, but with this nice little like flair and kind of fire to it. Some colors in here that might not necessarily be traditional holiday. I love that we put a kind of different take on holiday. So some of the highlighters that she's actually wearing right here are from our holiday highlight palette, which has some lavenders, some pinks, and rose golds, things like that. We're not really a traditional brand. We have a bunch of fun brand new brush sets, which obviously Morphe brushes, that's the heart of our brand. We started with brushes, so this year we have some really beautiful ones, including some that are fully bedazzled.
I know, I saw that earlier and I was like, please tell me about this.
These just catch light. Ooh, they're so pretty. Definitely a collector's item, and the quality is out of control. So if you're in need of some new brushes, definitely gonna check those out too.
A gift for anybody?
A gift for yourself, whoever, a friend, each other, make a pact with someone, buy them for each other. But yeah, we have some really cool products like that, a lot of metallics. You're going to be seeing a lot of like really rich dual tones. But I'm really excited to do this glitter on you.
You've already done my face in a makeup tutorial that will be coming soon to ET Style. But what are we about to do now?
Now we're going to get into this glitter liner. One is silver and one is black, and we're going to do a little ombre moment.
Ooh.
So we'll fade the silver into the black, and we're going to use the existing eyeliner as our guideline. So this is the first one right here. You can see it's super, super reflective. This color is called Poppin', and it's poppin'.
It is going to be poppin'.
Let's see how poppin' it is. So I'm going to have you look down. And so I'm already going to use this guideline we've created. And I'm going to take this color about halfway in. Same thing on the other side.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
It's so pretty. And this is something too, I feel like glitter liner, when you say it, a lot of people think, oh, I can't do that, I can't wear that. But really, if you can do any type of wing liner on yourself at all, then you can rock this. Just use that as your guideline and just trace over the exact shape. And these glitters make it so easy. You don't have to do anything else. They dry pretty quickly. First color down. Look how
wow,
pretty.
it really like brightens up, like, and it makes the lashes pop too.
It really does, because it's going to catch all that light right there, so the focus is really drawn to your eyes. And this next color is called Flicker. And I'm going to take Flicker all along this outside wing. And just sweep that into the silver. And I love this black one because it is more on the subtle side. So if you're someone that kind of wants to dabble in this glitter liner trend, but you don't want to commit to something super bright, you know, this is a great way to do that and sort of ease into that whole glitter trend.
Love it.
So pretty. Beautiful.
Ready for that holiday party? Watch out.
Ready for the holiday party.
Out here.
I need a date. You want to be my date?
I know, yes. Do you guys have one?
Yeah, we do. It's on Saturday. Just like that. So easy.
Thank you so much for being here, Nicole.
Thank you for having me. I had so much fun.
Me too. I mean, I'm rocking this glitter eye.
You're ready for some holiday party.
We're going.
Okay.
You just invited me.
Yeah,
I'm going to Morphe Brushes party. I'm just kidding. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe to ET Style, and let us know in the comments down below if you're going to be trying out glitter liner this holiday season.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.